Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be discussing the live chat feature, and to do that we're going to go into the live chat section. Now in the overview video we installed the Ajax chat, so you've already seen that one. In this case we're going to take a look at Blab. So we're going to click on this link, and what's going to happen is that we're going to come to the description page, and basically this is going to be a resizable chat system. So to get started, we're going to click Install. Once we do that, we're going to set a directory. And then we're going to write in a password. Once we do that, we're then going to click Submit. That's going to bring us to our details page. We'll then click Proceed. When we click the Proceed button, then Fantastico is going to go through the install process. And then once it's complete, you're going to have two URLs. In one case, you're going to have the front end URL, and this is going to be the URL that you're going to give people in order to join the chat. You've also got the back end URL, and this is where you will have admin control of the chat. So we're going to enter the back end operation, and we're going to enter our password. Once we've done that, we'll then click Submit. And then we have access to our live chat feature. As you'll notice, there are ways for us to be able to alter this chat room. However, there is an online manual for us to learn more about how to use it and how to administer chats with other people. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.